And of those bullets, one of those bullets rather, hit a man sitting inside a home on Lenox Road. They do not believe he was the target. We are being told that the man was not seriously injured. Right now, police are searching for the cars and the people involved. Was sleep deprivation and too much caffeine enough for a man to kill? Lawyers in St. Petersburg say yes, and now their client may be not guilty by reason of insanity. It's a defense that is rare, but in light of some high-profile cases in the Bay Area, all new at 11, it's a defense we may be seeing more of in the near future.
Thomas Coffeen misses his 83-year-old dad. He's no longer here. Thomas's brother Stephen confessed to killing their father by smothering him with a pillow 2 years ago.
It was horrid, horrible. No, I don't wish that on anybody.
And now Thomas is coping with the news his brother may be found not guilty by reason of insanity. Stephen Coffeen's attorney, George Trago, says a combination of exhaustion and Red Bull led his client to have a psychotic break.
I don't put a defense on that I don't believe in.
The reasoning for an insanity defense infuriates Thomas.
This Red Bull, I don't even think the man even drank Red Bull. They cannot 100% tell me that he didn't know what he was doing.
But in a rare decision, even the prosecution psychiatrist thinks an insanity defense may be appropriate. Trago stresses in this case the evidence fits, and it's a defense he believes in. This is his second high-profile case using insanity in recent months. He is also representing Aronia Rauch, a former Publix employee caught on tape entering the store and then accused of gunning down a co-worker in the parking lot.
Someone was just shot in the face.
In court papers, Trago says his client was, quote, humiliated and embarrassed after she had been fired for threatening that coworker, Greg Janowski.
These people are insane.
In truth, it's a very rare defense. According to statistics, it's used less than 1% of the time and works for just 1/4 of those defendants. But Tragos likely won't be the only attorney trying the defense in some of the Bay Area's most high-profile cases. There is already speculation about a recent high-profile shooting that has stunned the world.
I think most mental health workers would guess that there probably was some kind of psychotic break that occurred.
Dr. Sheila Katback is referring to Julie Schenecker, the Tampa mom behind bars for killing her own children, Calix and Bo. The doctor says sometimes the public needs to hear someone snapped to try and cope with such a horrific crime. Thomas Coffeen sees it as an excuse in his brother's case.
It's a travesty, and the state cannot let him go, and the state is dropping the ball big time.
Thomas Coffeen has vowed if the state attorney's office does not listen to his pleas, he'll go to the Attorney General, Pam Bondi, and even Governor Rick Scott. His brother's next hearing is February the 17th. It's likely Stephen Coffeen will be sent for mental health treatment, and he could be released in a matter of years or even months.